How to write a best CV for finance job. When writing a CV for a finance job, there are several key tips to keep in mind. Tailor your CV to the job. Read the job description carefully and tailor your CV to highlight the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the position. Use a clear and professional format. Use a clear and professional format that is easy to read, such as a chronological or functional CV. Make sure to include your contact information at the top of the page. Highlight your education and qualifications. List your education and any relevant qualifications, including any licenses or certifications you have obtained. Showcase your experience. Highlight your relevant work experience, including any internships, part-time jobs, or volunteer work that is relevant to the position. Use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and accomplishments. Emphasize your skills. Highlight any relevant skills, such as financial analysis, risk management, or accounting, and provide examples of how you have used them in your work. Include relevant keywords. Use keywords from the job description to help your CV get past any automated resume screening tools. Proofread carefully. Make sure to proofread your CV carefully for spelling and grammar errors. It may also be helpful to have someone else review it for you. Remember that your CV should be tailored to the specific job you are applying for and should highlight your relevant skills and experiences. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of landing a finance job. Regenerate response. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support us to create more useful videos.